9-2, rapidly approaching the first interval.
Go left.
That's big.
Incredible length off that net shot. Chow catching the tape. And Ginting with the top quality lift.
Almost had a semi-final. They made 3 quarterfinals before in 2016, 2018, and 2022. And this their 6th appearance in the Thomas Cup.
Stat actually, isn't it? With Chinese Taipei have only qualified. They've qualified for it 6 times.
I mean, if you expand that and you think about the pool of talent that Indonesia has, it's a massive country.
And those down.
Certainly got some pep in his step, Ginting, and he does it again. Swats that into the corner. 11. Well, again, starts off with the same pattern as we've seen throughout the first game. Then he's pushed that.
Chow. Super.
Nice defense, yeah. Beautifully marshaled by He's pushed that wide.
Brilliant. The net shot from Ginting.
Almost.
Chow refusing the opportunity to attack. Doesn't need to.
Into back. He's done very well. A little bit more incisive. Now he knows how to.
That's what makes that performance yesterday. Again, lean, sort of slim guys that, you know, will just drag the rallies out and force the game long.
For the country, and now it's a question of just whether they can change the color of their medal. First ever medal for them by hitting the semi-finals.
Oh, that is super.
Beautiful cross. I think, you know, there's been so much made about Korea's men's singles being the weakness in that team that maybe they did step 1 point between them.
Lovely. Deceptive.
To just
gain points on both courts as well. It's brilliant in here. Good defense.
Getting as good as he gets right now.
Oh, he's undecided.
Oh,
it's gone wide.
It's gone wide. Defense from Ginting.
Oh, Chow. Quality is at the very highest level. Oh no!
Oh, just at the end. How about that, guys? Can't leave it too high.
Both semi-finals going on at the same time, and China are about to take the advantage. In fact, they just have 21-5 GG come through in the second.
The match for Chao Tian-chen. He's got to play the next 3 or 4 points extremely well. And, of course, Indonesia. Wow, immediate.
Good smash.
That's gone wide shut. That one's gone, that's for sure. What a rally.
Superb rally. No!
5 points. And that's one of them that he's going to get by the net.
Chow looks so in control just before the mid-game interval.
That happened again of this game.
Oh, good cross smash.
Oh, did he slip? I think so. Matches yesterday. Oh, that's absolutely on the money. Smart from Chao Tian-chen.
Oh, that's good.
Backhand, and that was wonderful to play. silence.
Ginting. And again, hunting the net out.
Oh, he left that. The lift was... It all comes down to this point. Can't rush it. Straight to the body.
Look at Ginting go.
Reacting